out.
Yeah. Somebody decided that it was a good idea to put Allen bolts on this thing. There we are. It's okay. He got it figured. So we're working on a 4100. We're thinking it possibly has planetary failure.
It's got a noise here somewhere, and we're gonna try to go for it. See if we can find something.
We're just running close to 5 o'clock and ordering parts here, guys. So, like I said, not gonna be explaining too much. That's your parking linkage. Few shavings. I think you learned how to do that last night.
Yeah, at least once.
Just once? Just kind of explain what's what.
This is the accumulator body right here. These are the accumulator valves, which softens your shifts and stuff like that. Got your overdrive, your second, your fourth, your third. This is your solenoid pack. All the solenoids are built into one pack. Instead of changing each individual, you have one unit here. This looks like an aftermarket unit.
It's actually a it's a monster transmission.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Hey Richie, I had a real quick question.
A lot of metal in there, chunks.
A lot of chunks. Oh, yep. You can see that one by that spring right there. We are running a little low on time. Trying to get to our failure so we know what to order. I mean, but he's the man with the plan. Look at him go. Your Teflon or how would you say that?
Yeah, it's not Teflon, they are.
All right.
I don't know what the hell they are.
Yeah. I mean, the size of this transmission is amazing. There it is.
This is your overdrive clutch here. Explain a little bit to you. This is your engine brake clutch here. Your overdrive planetary, which is steel, being a diesel. Type of snapper they got on there, but
Yeah, that's weird. There's like nowhere to grab it. Heck, that pushes down. Oh, there you go. There it is. Well, this is a definitely different style of snap ring. There we go. We put a somewhat of a style snap ring in there like that, but it's a little different.
yeah, I don't know what the hell that's about. But that's
This is your sport.
second gear clutches. Your engine brake band. This is your intermediate sprag here. Your third gear clutches. Weird, it looks like that's been rubbing right down your stuff, doesn't it?
Oh, it actually does. Something has got in there and rubbed.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Just been touching. It's the forward clutch here that moves the vehicle forward. But we do got an issue going on here. They got the actually. There's the problem.
Houston, we found the problem. There's our chunks. Wow. Had bearing failure, huh?
Uh-huh. Front gear. So you're gonna need the front gear, go call Raymond real
Ring
quick.
gear.
So we need the forward planet, the sub gear, and the ring gear.
Okay, guys. Well, that's it here at Precision. The man's gonna get this the rest way taken apart, and I'm gonna go order some parts so we can have things here for first thing Monday. Y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching.